This is a brand new, never titled 2024 Peterbilt 389 in diamond white. Got all the extra horns up on the roof. 13,200 pound capacity steer axle. Riding around on 11R 24.5s. £40,000 air ride rears with a 355 gear ratio. 280-inch wheelbase. Air disc brakes. Got frame mounted toolboxes and steps on both sides. 78-inch stand-up sleeper. And let's take a look inside. Air ride leather seats. CB radio connections. A few extra gauges up in the dash. XM radio. 13-speed manual transmission. Got your cup holder there. Here's the bunk with your overhead storage. There's a wardrobe cabinet down here. Power outlets for a TV. Around here, here's your refrigerator. Cabinet down here. Shelves on the door. Pull the hood open and see what we got underneath here. Here we have a 510 horsepower, 1850 torque Paccar MX13. So if you think this truck will work for you, give me a call. 706-372-4698. And this truck is also located at our Jackson, Georgia store